Alright guys, another unboxing. Another something else from JM Bullion. These rounds are actually made, or at least branded, by JM Bullion here. So let's see what we got here. These should be their Eagle rounds. They said they're reverse proof, like whatever that means. I just got a tube of 20, but like usual, these are on sale, so I got them. Silver's still really cheap right now, so it's always a good time to pick up some more. But yeah, there's the back. Looks pretty good. And then there's this front. I thought this looked really good. Pretty cool design there. Yeah, so I thought I'd show you that. Keep stacking, everybody.